Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. If this is your first time here, welcome. Everyone else, thank you for continuing to come back and support this very small channel. Remember, the most easy and free way to support your fellow YouTubers is to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, watch the video. I really appreciate all of your help. So thank you so much for being here with me. So today we're going to do something kind of fun. We are going to be taste testing some Halloween flavored candies. Now these are not typically available the rest of the year around, but it's fun. So you might as well try some different types of candy, right? So today we are going to try 4 different kinds. The first time is called Franken Cup, milk chocolate with green colored cream. All right, so we are going to try this one. Again, nothing is a sponsor here. I'm poor and I'm not a big YouTube channel, but it's all me. It's all me. So this is the front. The back is kind of cute there. So I don't know if there's actually another flavor, but we'll take a look. So this is the item, the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup with the green cream. Green colored cream. I wonder what that's like. Looks like a typical Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Until that. So I'm going to kind of cut it across. All right, this is the cross section of said item of the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and it's called Franky Cups. So let's try this out. Tastes like a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Okay, the green is the green part is white chocolate. So this is just it says it's cream, but it's just white chocolate with color on it. It's cute. I don't really taste anything different. It doesn't, this is my life. It doesn't taste very different to me. So for the peanut butter Franken cups, honestly, I would just skip them. Get the real deal. You pay more money for this. I can't remember. Most of these cost $2.50 a bag. I did go to Walmart to get them. One of them was more expensive, and I think it was this one. I think this was like $3 something. The next one we're going to try is Pumpkin Pie Kit Kat. So that is the front and the back here. So we're going to open this. And if you guys don't know, Japan has a massive amount of different flavored Kit Kats, and I feel so upset. I was really angry there. I'm really upset that there is not the flavor profile in the United States that they have in Japan. And I have tried those before. I have sent to get some of the Japanese Kit Kats, and I love them. I absolutely love them. So this is the individual Kit Kat. I have it upside down. Okay, and then we're gonna open her up. Oh, I can already smell the pumpkin. So this is the Kit Kat. This is typically the size you get in the little Japanese sets. If you're ordering online. I'm gonna cut this right in half. To try to. Okay, this is the cross section of the pumpkin, and let me tell you, like I said, I can already smell the flavor of pumpkin. Wow. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is really good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Love it. I think this is the perfect size. A little bit goes a long way. but it tastes exactly what it says like it tastes. It tastes like pumpkin. I can really taste like nutmeg and allspice. It is really good. I would definitely pick these up. They are fun. They are good. The next one is called, it's a Kit Kat again, called Witch's Brew. And this is supposed to be like maybe crisp wafers and marshmallow flavored cream. Everybody wants the yum yums and natural flavors. Okay, this is a little different than the other one. It comes in the 2 packets, but this is really cute. This is a cute little packet. So, oh my goodness, they really, really want to try these. They can't though. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's really hard to tell, but it's a very light green. And we're just gonna give me a break. Ooh, this definitely smells marshmallowy. We're gonna try this. Holy cow. Yep. There's definitely a marshmallow flavor. I don't like marshmallows. But Kit Kat does an amazing job at their flavor profile. So if it says it tastes like something, it tastes like something. And last but not least, we are doing the Dove chocolates, and they are in pumpkin flavors. It's got a little pumpkin on there. Oh. And oh, well, you have your little saying in the Dove chocolate. It says, fall, for now, falling leaves, soon falling snow. Rude. Snow isn't 4-letter S word in my life. So this is what the Dove chocolate looks like, a typical Dove chocolate. I just smell chocolate. I think they forgot to put the pumpkin in them. Yep. I just realized that these are milk chocolate. Pumpkins. Pumpkins, not pumpkin in it. My bad for not reading that. But they have other flavors. They have like mints and, you know, other different flavors. So why wouldn't they have one that was pumpkin? I'm really confused. Okay. Well, it's time to wrap up because my equipment is terrible. I would rate the Kit Kat pumpkin number 1. The well, just because of the sheer flavor, the marshmallows number 2. The Reese's peanut butter cups. The Reese's peanut butter cups don't taste any different, and I just made a mistake with the Doves. So you guys have a great day wherever you are. And Sunny loves you. And remember, every single day is a gift with your puppy. All right, everybody have a good one, and I will see you later. Bye for now. Say bye, Sunny. Bye, Sunny.